Hey, I'm Fran, and I see you. You're exhausted, juggling work, family, and life, but still wondering when you'll finally feel good in your own skin again. I've been there. After 3 kids and long work days, I felt stuck in a body that didn't feel like me anymore. But I found a way to lose over 50 pounds, boost my energy, and grow spiritually without giving up the foods I love or spending hours in the gym. Now, I'm here to help you do the same. Let's make this your breakthrough year.
Join me on this video. We are going to be having an intense workout right now. A full body workout, but it's mainly impacting your abs, and we will be listening to some hip-hop praise and worship while we're at it. Please enjoy.
In an old-time magazine about a time when our fathers made their stand, a nation in blue and a land to behold, with freedom for all written in the sand. We were born and raised in our world, all the heroes long gone past, as they watch us smiling from the skies, 'cause we were born and raised in a world embraced by the fate of us all, the writings on the wall. We were born. He doesn't need fires, he's got his colors noticed on and on and on, turning heads to see the colors. It goes on and on and on and on. Stranger says he'll regret his armor. They don't get what it's like to be no one, no one, no one, no one. We don't wanna be hiding, we don't wanna be fighting, we don't wanna be running from the sun. We don't wanna keep trying, we consider denying. We don't wanna be running from the sun. Of ebony publicity, she carries on and on and on and on. Small town words are filled with bias, and they'll go on and on and on. A stranger says, poor girl with that armor. They don't get We're like one, like one, like one, like one. We don't wanna be running. She don't wanna be fighting. We don't wanna be running from the sun. He don't wanna keep trying. She don't wanna deny it. We don't wanna be running from the sun. 'Cause we would die to have a place like home. And we just wanna be, and we just wanna be. From the sun. 'Cause we would die to have a place like home. There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always. He carried me to shore,
me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank him every day. I will put him first, 'cause he did that for me. He sacrificed himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord always. Put joy to his name every single day, 'cause he never left our sight. He showed us the way. Rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord forever and always. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way.
Growing strong every day, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Learning in our own way, oh yeah. Oh yeah. He who loves discipline stays bright. Knowledge follows shining light. Ta la 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 la, we sing, keep on growing, it's our thing. Ta la 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 la, we play, loving knowledge every day. Correction makes us wise, so true. Oh yeah. Learning helps us see what's new. Oh yeah. Hate and change won't help us grow. Let the wisdom start to flow. Oh, oh. Ta la 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 la, we sing, keep on growing, it's our thing. Ta la 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 la, we play, loving knowledge every day. Call it your mate. Every day. Every step a lesson learned. Oh yeah. Every turn a wisdom earned. Oh yeah. He who loves to grow and know finds the path that truly glows. Oh, oh, lows. Ta la 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 la, we sing, keep on growing, it's our thing. Ta la 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 la, we play, loving knowledge every day. Call it your name. Every day. Ta la 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 la, we sing and keep on growing, it's our thing. Ta la 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 la, we play, loving knowledge every day. Oh yeah.
give thanks to you, Lord, with all my heart. I am glad and rejoice in you. I sing the praises of your name, O Most High. I glorify your name, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Wonderful Lord, I praise you. I give thanks to you, Lord, with all my heart. I am glad and rejoice in you. I sing the praises of your name, O Most High. I glorify your name, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit, wonderful Lord, I praise you. I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion